Hey folks, Tom with Arnold Lumber here, and it's time again for the 2025 Arnold Lumber Customer Appreciation Trade Show, or CATS as we like to call it. Come on inside and let's check it out.
Hey everyone, I'm Danielle. I'm here representing the Benjamin Opdyke line.
Can you just tell us what we're looking at right here?
This product is our InvisiWrap self-adhered house wrap, and it comes with a full system for open rain screen applications. But in order to do that, you need to make sure that you have a system that is meant to be exposed over its lifetime. This is a non-logoed black self-adhered house wrap with 100% solid acrylic adhesive that can be exposed for an entire year before you have to cover it. Once it's covered within the system, we allow up to a 2-inch space between those joints.
So the black non-logoed contributes to that aesthetic.
Absolutely.
So if I have a gap, an intentional gap between my pieces of siding, disappears.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Brilliant.
It's a really, really cool aesthetic, and we're seeing it become more and more popular.
Love that. Listen, there's a lot more to see here at the show. We appreciate you coming out, Danielle.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a bunch for being here.
Absolutely.
Tom, back again.
I'm
Our
back
friends from
as
Tando,
always.
always here to support. We got the table, we got the samples. There are going to be a lot of builders and contractors in here today. What do we need to make sure of everything that they pay attention to here on the table?
I mean, as usual, as you know, our Beach House Shake is probably
Of
one of our
course.
foremost, most popular products with you guys being
Still
and
is.
still is being on the coastline, even to get that classic New England style look on homes. You can never really go wrong with that.
You got to pay attention to that. What else is up here?
So new on the board this year for us, we relaunched our brick profile.
Relaunched.
So we have two colors. Our Madeira color, which is your classic
Traditional red,
and then
yep.
our Racinette color, which
Nice.
is our tan color. We reformulated the process, and it's a full-on composite product.
It
line
looks
now.
beautiful. I tell you what, you're going to have a hard time knowing that that's not real brick. And you have a lot of stone.
Yeah, so three profiles. Our Glacier Bay, which is our stack stone, which is our tighter mortar line, and then our Lewiston Crest, which is the more popular here in New England. We also have our Creek Ledge stone, which has a wider mortar line. All of these products, but especially the stone, now that we have the three profiles, we're seeing it a lot of progress in the multifamily. So especially with you guys now in the multifamily division, we're doing a lot of really nice projects right now in New England.
So talk me through real quick this hammer nail contest.
So the goal,
Yeah.
you've got a set of 3 nails, and you're gonna pound in the 3 completely
right.
flush as fast as you possibly can. Ready, set, go. Hit 'em flush, hit 'em flush.
Oh,
Right. 6.4 seconds.
All right, I
Not
gotta
a bad
practice
time,
a little
not
bit
terrible
more.
time. Hey, I'm impressed with you, sir.
thanks for showing me around. We're here with Elise, and we are representing Rhode Island Builders Association here today, REBA for short. Just explain real quickly, what is REBA?
So Rhode Island Builders Association is the trade association for residential contractors in Rhode Island. And we advocate on behalf of our members. We train our members.
Yep.
We educate our members. We inform our members. We have a monthly magazine that we
Yeah,
send
yeah,
out.
I've seen it.
We have a list of our members online
Yep.
and in a printed directory. And that's scheduled classes.
There's really not a lot of resources for that information.
No, there
And it
isn't.
can be overwhelming and a little scary for
Yes.
a lot of
Yeah.
our mutual customers who want to make sure that they're doing it right. We really appreciate you being here and showing up for us every year. The partnership is amazing, and we love what you do for our customers.
Thank
so
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Toolbox is a partner of Arnold Lumber, and different from a lot of the folks here at our Customer Appreciation Trade Show. A lot of them are vendors and suppliers of different tools and building materials. Toolbox, despite the name, isn't really that. Maybe if you can explain a little bit, just what is the relationship between Arnold Lumber and Toolbox?
Definitely, yeah. Well, we see it's more of a partnership. We are really partnered with Arnold to make sure that we're providing a digital experience for their customers, and a portal where they can easily come on, pay, make payments, or see their past purchases, and have a one-stop shop for that digital experience.
You know, as much as the builders and contractors are coming here to learn about new products and what's going to help them build a house, they're running a business. And to find ways to make running that business easier really is what our job is at Arnold Lumber. Toolbox helps us do that.
Absolutely.
It's a great tool. We appreciate you guys being out here to teach our customers how it works, and look forward to really educating our builders and contractors and how we can help make their businesses run a little smoother. Don, hey, thanks for being here again.
Yeah.
As always, you always bring a nice plethora of items. What are we focusing on at the CATS 2025?
Well, really call this a little triple crown. So these are new installation materials that we have available for our product lines. A lot of contractors have been asking us for years to have our own sealants, low expanding foam, flashing tape. So we have that. On the whole energy code side, we're now offering this new tri-pane glass in our 400 series products.
Okay.
This is actually a casement. And then a real game changer is the Easy Connect mold system that we offer in our A series product line. And again, it's designed to give the mull a structural rating just like the window of a DP50, which is really strong.
Love that. If anyone has questions about the Anderson products, make sure you reach out to Arnold Lumber. Don and I will make sure you get the answers you need. Don, thanks for being out here again, man.
Thank you.
Master Brand Cabinets is one of the premier brands that Arnold carries. We have everything from our Mantra, which is our entry-level stock, quick ship cabinets, all the way up to our Fieldstone, which is our custom. In between that, we have Decora and our Kemper products, which are our midline semi-custom. Fieldstone has a lot of new products. The micro shaker door, which has been very popular, it comes out now in 3 different styles.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
That we have. So it's a rounded, a beveled, and they have all of these new colors that just came out this week.
Super. Just this week?
Just this week. These are all brand new.
Wow, great.
So you'll see these in your showroom. We now came out with the beaded door, which is gaining in popularity, especially with vanities.
Love that. Well, there's certainly a lot of variety and plenty to offer. If you're at the show, we got to come by and check this out. And if you're not at the show, come see us at Arnold Lumber in the kitchens department. We'll make sure we get you pointed in the right direction. That's a wrap for the 2025 Contractor Appreciation Trade Show. Very special thank you to all of our supply partners for coming out and to all of our contractors. We appreciate your loyalty and business throughout the years, and we'll see you next year at CATS 2026.